Hey all, Matt Long, Realtor here. Today we are checking out Fairways of Rolling Hills, the next subdivision neighborhood on my tour of neighborhoods. Now this neighborhood's gonna break into 3 sections. As we're pulling in here, if you look to the left, would be the north section. If you look to the right, that'll be the center section. And then beyond that center section, what we'll call the east section, okay? Now, this main road that goes that we're on right now, that goes through here, is County Road 125. So I'm taking a left, I'm heading north onto County Road 125A. And you'll notice they're labeled 125A, B, and C in here. This neighborhood has approximately 170 some homes and lots, and like some of the others in this area, they started building in the early 90s. 91 is some of the most recent that we found. There are some lots that are for sale. There are currently 3 active homes, 1 pending, and their prices are ranging anywhere between the mid to high, more so the high 100s to close to the top, to the high 300s. There's a high variety of price ranges in here. A lot of it's gonna be predicated on the condition of the house. There is an HOA in this neighborhood. It's $250 a year. Most of the lots in this neighborhood are around a 1/4 acre or larger. 1/4 acre, 1/3 of acre are the most common that you see in here. Now, there was 1 home in here that was listed for sale by owner. And now I'm going to go through the middle section. Again, we're back here, straight ahead. We're on County Road 225. I'm turning right into this cul-de-sac real quick. This is County Road 225C. So I'm going to go out and I'm going to trace all this within this this part of the neighborhood. One for sale by owner. It was sitting on the market as of today for 154 days. 154 days it's sitting on the market, half the year essentially. However, the average home is on the market for around 23 days in this neighborhood. So inventory moves fairly quickly. It's adjacent to the villages. There actually will be some portions of the neighborhood that you're going to notice, oh, there's some homes behind there, and that's the villages. Turning down this next street here, this is County Road 225B. See here, there are some twists and turns and a little bit of winding around in the neighborhood. Again, the section that I'm showing you that we're driving through right now is the center section of the neighborhood. This street here goes through the middle of that center section. I'm going to take a left here. We're back to County Road 125, which is the main road that goes through the community. And as you can see in front of us, there is the entrance exit that we first came in. Street just to the right, County Road 125A to the right is where we first turned down. We're going to take a left here at County Road 125B1. So the average homes in here are generally between 3 and 4 bedroom, 2 and 3 bathroom. At the minimum average, they're looking at around, like I said, 23 days on the market till pending. Outside of that, the maximum time we've seen maximum averages we're saying for the high end average would be at 107 days, and average about 35 days across the board. Around 2,000 square feet is the average size of home in this neighborhood. So these are what would be considered near mid-size, kind of more so mid-size homes here in the fairways of Rolling Oaks. This community is just south of the Lake Nona golf course. This community, like a lot of communities around the villages, is a mixed community. So it's not 55 plus. The golf carts are accepted in pretty much all these neighborhoods. All right, so this is coming up to the end of the middle section of the community, and now we're going to head to the back, or where I said was the east section of this community. And as you can tell, even though it has an HOA, 250 a year isn't bad. Isn't bad at all. Just right by here, just for the amenities portion of what you're paying it with the villages, you're looking at 120 as of right now. It's $126 a year. Turn down this little cul-de-sac quickly. It's County Road 125D. So $250 a year to be here. There's no gate. There's no real lake here that is notable. You can look between here and you can see the villages is actually right over there. There's some group of 4 gentlemen golfing there. Golf is very prevalent in the area. So if you like the villages, maybe you want a bigger lot, or you like being near the villages and you want to have more control and design over your home, this is great. Or number 3, if you have kids, it's how kids are not allowed in the villages as permanent residents. So this back section here comes up to halt, actually to one of the larger lots in the whole subdivision. Now we're going to take a left here onto County Road 125C. If you have any questions about this neighborhood or any neighborhoods in the area, by all means, reach out to me. My phone number, 352-403-3730. You can also reach me online at mattlongrealtor.com, on social media, pretty much everywhere at Matt Long Realtor. Take a right here at County Road 125, which is the main road. This will take us outside of the community. And here we are. So I look forward to hearing from you. If you have any questions, or comments, just leave the comments below. Make sure to subscribe, follow, heart, emoji, all that good stuff, so get much quality feedback from you as possible. I appreciate y'all and look forward to helping you.